Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an exterior door handle on this 2003 Chevy Monte Carlo. And we show you on the driver's side, but the passenger side is a similar procedure. And the items you'll need for this is a flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, T25 Torx Driver, Putty Knife, and a 10mm socket and ratchet with an extension. Your door panel is held on with 4 screws. There's a Phillips screw here, and a Phillips screw up here. And then down here under the pull handle, there's 2 T25 Torx screws. And we'll just fast forward as Mike removes those. Now pry out behind this panel with a flat blade screwdriver and then slide the panel forward and over the door handle. And then pry out on either side of your door lock switch while pulling up on it. And that'll pull free. Now there's an indent right here that you want to slide your putty knife into, and then just pry out on the clip. And now reach back behind the door panel and feel for the clips and just pull out sharply to release the clips. And once you've released them all the way around, just lift the door panel up and then pull it back. Now push the tab on this harness and pull it free. And do the same thing for this harness. And now your door panel's free. Pry out this cover, and once you pry it out enough to grip onto it, just pry out from the back. Push on the tab on this harness and disconnect it. Unclip the harness from the door and pull it aside. And then carefully, without damaging the water shield, you want to just peel it back. Now pry out on this clip, and then pry out on the adhesive on either side of this foam block. And you want to make sure that you keep the adhesive to the block so you can stick it back into place later. So if any of it peels off, make sure you push it back into place. In these holes, you'll see 2 10mm bolts. One there, and one right there. Just go ahead and remove both of those. Now inside your door, you'll see this yellow clip. Just flip it forward, and it'll open up, and you just pull that rod free.
You'll need to reach in and kind of push up on the door handle and pull out the bottom.
Push the front of the door handle down and pull it out, and then angle the back of the door handle down and pull it free. And you want to just pull it up until you can access this lower rod right here and just pop it out, and then pull the door handle and handle rod up and out. Now on your new door handle, you're going to want to transfer over this rod, so just unclip it and maneuver it out of the door handle. And you'll also want to switch over your lock cylinder. So just pry out on this clip. And then just pull the lock cylinder up and out. Take your new exterior door handle and push the lock cylinder into it. And then push your door handle rod back into place and reclip it. Now feed the back end of the door in first.
Gotta make sure that this goes between the track and the door lock actuator.
and then push this rod back into place.
Get the rod down in.
And just angle the back of the door handle in. Push it back, and then angle the front of the door handle into place. Then take your exterior door handle rod and reclip it into this yellow clip. Just push the clip closed. And we'll fast forward as Mike replaces those two 10mm bolts and tightens them up. And just replace this cap. Now feed the foam block back into place and reclip the top of it. And then we'll just fast forward as Mike replaces the cover around the handle and the water shield. Reconnect this harness and reclip it to the door. To reconnect your door panel, just start off by reconnecting these two harnesses. And just put this switch through here, and then line up these slots with these 4 tabs, and just lift the door panel up and push those slots onto the tabs.
You can go.
And then just make sure the clips are lined up and hit them into place around the sides of the door panel. Now push your door lock switch back into this panel and slide the panel over your interior door handle and slide it back into place. And then just replace those 4 screws. And you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.